Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 isn't picking up debris properly, it could be due to a faulty trigger mechanism. This issue can arise from wear and tear or blockages, and if left unaddressed, it may lead to reduced performance and further damage to your vacuum. Fortunately, replacing the trigger is a straightforward process. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger for the Dyson V10. First, ensure the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the dust container, which allows you better access to the inner components. Next, locate the screws that secure the top cover of the Dyson. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off, ensuring not to damage any of the internal wiring. Now, you need to identify the trigger mechanism. It is typically located near the handle assembly. Inspect it for any visible damage or blockage. To remove the faulty trigger, you will need to disconnect a couple of small cables. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the connectors, being cautious not to apply too much force which could damage nearby components. After disconnecting the cables, you can unscrew the trigger assembly using the Phillips screwdriver again. Pull the old trigger out and replace it with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly attached to avoid any future issues. Now, you can replace the top cover of the Dyson, aligning it properly before securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Tighten them just enough to hold the cover in place, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws. Finally, reattach the dust container, plug the vacuum back in, and test it to ensure it picks up debris effectively. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping your vacuum well maintained will ensure it continues to perform at its best. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.